Okay. No mai ki te pauaka tio. Icebox. Let's go. Alright, we're just gonna get the team. Oh yes, my favorite, Mr. Lemons. Got the chamber going on. Yes sir, yes sir. Phantom, first time in play. We haven't seen too many smokes. I'd love to see more. What would you like to see? Yeah.
I want to see more of it. I want to see all the ratchet stuff.
Paladins.
My man's out here teaching phonics as well as.
Oh, awesome. So we got we got a chamber on each side. No sage for defending squad on this one. Kore mote kore.
I want to see. Oh, what's his name? I can't remember what that kid's name. Who's the hairy ginger dude?
Do we go to the K?
What's this kid's name?
Oh, I don't. Not Brimstone.
Ginger Brimstone.
Ah,
I can't remember his name.
it's gone. It's left my mind. Alrighty, but he does a lot of stuns.
I want to
Flashes.
see from
Yeah.
Oh, what is his name? Breach.
Breach. Yeah, it is Breach.
Ed, you've been playing this game long.
Like I said, bro, I just play it. I don't commentate it, so it's different.
Wait, that's why I was thinking it's the Breacher.
The Brisha.
The Breach?
Oh, we said Breach, right?
No, he read it. He read it. Breach.
Cheetah bricks. Do my spots. Okay. Oh, round two. Bloody hell, we missed it all. Looks like it's gonna be an A hit on this side. But we do have the Jet number 9 there, watching for B hit too. He's gonna try and clear B here, but A looks like the favored position. Okay, we got a bit more structure on this team too. Taco Scout will get the but it will get traded straight away from B Sting.
You're done.
Just taking their time. I like the patience. Look at this. Oh, nice. Raina's got some good crosshair placement there. Knows what she's doing.
Remaining.
Oh, that's a slaughter. Go straight away. Good option to go off the foot bet. 1v4, so it'll be a bit tough here for the Phoenix. Oh, Chamber will go down. Ollie will get one at least. And, oh, I don't think he senses it. I like it.
I mean, like a bit rough in that situation when you're surrounded with these 3 people.
I mean, he got 1 kill.
Yeah.
Okay. We got Diligent, Sosa defending, and
Paladins.
why did you say it?
Paladins. You never
That
played
sounds
any
like
RPG.
sounds like a made up word.
Yeah.
Paladins.
You never played any Dungeons and
I
Dragons.
swear I've heard someone say Paladins. Anyway, someone's
Paladins,
tainted my mind on that one.
My man's out here with the Paladin.
Oh, okay, looks like defenders. Okay, Sosa's are playing a default here. The attacking team is favouring the A side here too.
Spike down A.
We've got some good smokes here too from the Phantom. Breach, good flash there. Great blinds. Ooh, so what? Oh, our Matua Mana coming into play here. Nice flash. Oh, unlucky. Alan Key will get the sheriff. Oh, nice.
One enemy remaining.
That was just a tick damage, but Kerr will pick up another kill too. Good rounds.
It looked like
I feel like there's gonna be a good ecos coming up too soon.
They're playing really structured. Like this is what you typically see coming out of like a more, I suppose, intermediate level of play. Like they know what they're supposed to.
Yeah, they they have a good sensei of what to do. They're playing pretty patient. I can see them jiggle peeking too corners.
Yeah. And there's like, I suppose, less ambiguity about
Yeah,
what they're
like-
supposed to be doing.
Karina in the middle here.
Let's go.
Kind of saying, yeah, I got mid. I'll watch over mid. And the rest are like, all good.
And again, with the,
So we've got a Jet who's going to push mid. Reina might see we'll get the tick damage on. Oh, but it will finish the one. Fortnite, babe, 2005. No Mikey to year 2022. That's crazy, man. 2005.
partial.
Mighty Marshall. Halfway.
That's crazy.
Got more Marshall plays here. I love to see Arena with a Marshall too. See what I put this high sight. Nice because Optus rotates this out. Beasting. Nice shot, but he's gonna watch the flank. No one's there though.
Right.
As the jet slowly pushes up mid. Nice shots by Fortnite. He does get another hit mark. Mr. Lemon is critically low.
Last player
You can
standing.
Fortnite is just
Hey,
picking up the pieces.
Like, their A pushes are just not working for them. Their breach is massive, bro. Stuns everyone in the middle. Getting eaten. Yes.
I have to get that Phantom to kind of block off more sights too.
Cheer, Agent Fomo, welcome to the stream. Good to see you again, partner.
Jitterbug. Cheer.
For those of you that just tuned in, it's the Bro Jam and my main man right here, Paladins.
Got myself jam ass boots. Oh, nice. We've got to switch it up here to a B push. What is it?
Paladin.
Paladins.
Play some Dungeons and Dragons out.
Fuck, that's nerdy as hell, bro. That's crazy.
Oh, it's shooting as hell. We've got 3 screens.
Oh, we got Phoenix always playing that little angle there. I want to see some changes. These things. Oh, TP's into some bullets. Oh, unlucky. 10 looking to go for a B push
One
here.
enemy remaining.
Fortnite's just got there. Crossy plays will pick up a Wakararu or the Vandal there.
Marshall in it. Yeah, unlucky.
Pick up with Spectre. Good rounds there. 7-0 for Fortnite there, so yeah, it's a domination here. Bit of domination, but
Carly.
hey, what can you do? Nice, we're seeing a bit more higher skill level coming out from the teams now, which is awesome to watch.
Fine, you know.
Second team is just Kiki Bucky Makarona and they spawn. I think they're having a kōrero. Can go to attacking. Yep. Okay, they decided to go B. 166 in the Wari. Hey, B push here. Jet's gonna see them first. Alan Kido with the Kaimahi popping off on 166. I don't think they want to go towards the operator, so I would get out of there. Oh, Chamber unfortunately goes down. Fortnite Babe will heal up with that. Team still kind of not quite tight together. Kore will get a bit of height, maybe get an off angle going. But they're just keen to fight their operator. And the Fortnite Babe, what a B. They didn't know that the kill came through mid too, so maybe
Unlucky.
they should have known, but yeah, unlucky.
Like 3 people are looking at one door and there's 2. Maybe it's a comms. So what's
Yeah, bit of a comms breakdown there. Hey, aha. Whakawhiti ki te taha attacking. Let's see. What about beasting?
Who will
So
teleport's ready?
there he is. Yeah, put on this hood.
These things to Tahi.
He's just some nice shots so far, and he's not fighting for his team. Okay, operator, man, that is crazy. He's sounding very scary at the moment. Nice shots. The
Spike
timing of
down,
this
B.
Fortnite, baby, is just crazy. Mr. Lemons will push up mid. It's a bit of a split. I'm not too sure if they know where the position is at the moment. Ollie will go down.
Spike down,
Unfortunately, bombs down 2 on the site. The defending team have full control of that bomb as well, so this could be a hard feat to pick up on. Let's see. Might have a possible ace coming up.
You can hear a bit of a biggie.
He's coming through kitchen. Yeah. So we've got defenders and... Oh,
Last
Tekka's in the
player
kitchen.
standing.
Oh. Alan Key will spoil the ace there. No home tour for this round, Tuano.
30 seconds left.
Okay, the committee on our focus, so Beast Thing is in trouble.
Flawless.
Unlucky, he couldn't do much there in that situation. 5v1. No time, nowhere to hide.
Looks like we have some fans coming through for Fortnite baby.
Hey,
Fortnite.
yay. Welcome in. Fortnite baby. What rank is he? Surely expose his rank. Because I can see he's bought some skins there as well. She's got a prime knife. So, yeah, man's got some skins here. Kawhai.
Nah, it's not.
E taere rā tuki waingana I mo tēnei rauna. You'd like to see the chamber, which is Mr. Lemons just kind of kick back and watch the flames.
Oh, we have a kaima here.
Yeah, Kaimai isn't play, bro. Those are vicious too. We got callouts going over to A. Look, there's some funny positioning from the... Oh, Omen there. That was weird, but...
One enemy remaining.
Okay, Lemons
Spike
left in the middle
down
there.
B.
Callouts are coming in.
One less.
Nice shots by the team. Mr. Lemons will get one. But it'd be crazy if we got a 3-piece here. But, it's not looking likely. No, he's got no bomb. He's kind of Kapehi, the team are defending. They might get a pinch on him at any point. Breach is just watching a bomb there, pretty much hovering around it. Oh, this time. Oh,
30 seconds
Chamber,
left.
you should just boosted the B. Give
I
it.
have the spike.
Yeah, Fortnite Baby's gonna hit him. Oh, he couldn't decide which way to go. He ended up. Kua mate.
Couldn't decide what to do. We've got splitting.
Okay, we got 7. The Diligent SOSA. Yeah, just kind of powering and bullying their way through this game. They're looking good.
A clear leader of the pack.
Quinoki. I mean, we got skins, man. You can just tell what skins these people play, bro.
Yeah. Ratchet to the brother Giraffe, you reckon? Out. Tell their kids are sorted out. Huh? All welcome to come.
One enemy remaining.
Damn, defender team is just
Down
too
mid.
good. Picking them off one by one. Bomb down. They know that clearly. Fuck, Phoenix. He's just on his own. Not sure what to do. He's got an ult in hand, but I think we'll stay there. Oh, unlucky on the
Ryan, I mean, with the loud footsteps, you got the loud.
Got those forestry gun boots going with the spikes in the bottom.
Definitely living up to the.
Hey. Oh, smiley to the office.
Nana hipote.
Ngā mihi moto karanga.
I know, yes, we are in the school.
So yeah, if you didn't believe us, once again, you heard the comms there. What is that intercom? It's the first time I've been back
You
at
want
it
to
to
play?
a
Let's
long
play.
time too.
Into Kuna with the Polar.
Yeah.
Cutting their vision.
Nice play there. Fortnite just games with this way too much. It's him with a kaimahi. Misses.
Spike down.
Mr.
attackers
Lemons though,
bomb.
lining him up. Oh, nice. Base the shot. Phantom will go down. Beasting.
Beasting.
He loves himself a kaimahi. On.
Results.
You just can't allow Fortnite just going to rip through mid. Kapehi ai te tima. Just gets the pinches on every time.
This is the closest it's been for them winning.
Can't miss a shot of Fortnite Bees though. Beasting. Just kind of having a look-sees around. We got Mr. Lemons on his ulti as well. Tōna mana motu hake. Tā reira, ko te tumanako ka wai rātou I te pahu. Go and pick up the bomb and 36 seconds to go and plant that off.
I have the spike.
No one
30
really knows.
seconds left.
Fortnite knows now. Yeah, he's just gonna back up. That's super smart playing by Fortnite. He might ego it though.
That if he had just held it for like 3 seconds, he would have had it.
Yeah, just leave it.
One enemy remaining. 10 seconds left.
You gotta get that kill, but I think it'll be smart. Yeah, Fortnite just runs away and just wins by time. Oh no, he gets a bomb down.
Last
He's not
player
aware
standing.
though. The Rainer. No, he's not set up. The Sova's not there. He's just gonna hold this bomb.
I am the hunter.
Oh, unlucky. Yeah, should have pulled that out earlier. I didn't realize that he had his ulti.
I mean, that's the play. That's the play. Mr. Simmons coming in.
Yeah.
Did you see the evil angle?
That was me. That was me.
Like, I mean, like his ulti is really strong. It's a one hit,
Yeah,
one shot on the.
that's it.
Still there.
These things. Back to the Marshall. Hey, to the rangatira.
Sure, clean. No, my bro.
Okay, once again, we got Sosa just playing default. Just looking to play for any information. Mena ka ki te rātou i tētai, nā ka karanga rātou ki rātou tīma. Oh, not the best arrow. I've got to get in for information there.
Spike down. A.
Nice shots by Beasting again. You know that he's there. You got to pre-fire that 100%.
Last player
Unlucky.
standing.
And the grief.
That's just the repeats for me. Peak all day.
Hey, what rotation? What team?
It's bad. Okay. Fortnite baby again. Up again. Unlucky. Too many kills from behind for Fortnite babe. Just too clean on. Okay, 10-0 to Anna. Another one-sided kind of a game going on here, Ngari. Paiana. Still learning. Paladins. That's still in this game. It's not over until it's over. So shout out to Paladins for continuing the game. Oh,
Yeah, just call them Paladins.
nah, because you put me off. Fuck.
Oh. Welcome to your Ebonics lesson.
Cutting their vision.
Oh, Mr. Lemon's got a kill there. More operators for beasting.
Last player standing.
Unlucky.
Spike down. A.
LNQ was going to get the off shot. I think there was like a jump shot trying to get him there
But alas, they are dead.
from beasting. I think he tried to jump shot it, not sure.
Last round before the switch.
Touching was movement keys too.
Yeah.
Because that looked clean.
So let's look on the scoreboard. 22-0 for Fortnite, babe. Yeah, it's a bit of a dominating round here for the Sosas. We got a good match coming up if they continue to win.
Oh, that's true. 3 mil.
Like,
So, by bringing people actually still doing an assessment, this is the part of their schoolwork so far. So this isn't high rank play. This isn't high tier. This is get to pretty
Spike
much
down.
starting
A.
like this year, or like there's some people who've been playing at home. But they're not big teams yet. They're not.
just
That's
learning, bro.
That they'll
Yeah,
they'll get there.
I don't know how. I mean, this team is a bit different. There's definitely some, been a few games played. Bought a few skins as well, so this man's been playing this game, so yeah. Fortnite baby's just gonna run around like it's his playground. Nice
Switching
shots.
sides. Match
definitely
point.
some standouts who have had practice, but
Aye.
at the same
It takes work, bro. Yeah, this game, even when I started playing it, huge learning curves. Didn't know what a strafe shooting was. Trying to running gun, jumping gun. But yeah, that's nothing that these kids can fix. They got plenty of time. I'm not sure how much time they get in class to kind of have a bang. But ko te tūmana nā ko ka pai ai rātou i a tō rātou haerenga. So hopefully they get better over time. It's going to be a full send mid, I think. Did they ask for that? No fight. Can't play in the chats. You got Kerr. Reed splashes their own teammates. It's a bit worrisome, but it's alright. They'll still push on through the middle. Going through kitchen hit here too. But Carl will get a shot with his ability there too. Allen Key, yep, he'll finish that one off too. We got a 2v4. Not totally lost, but we'd like to see our defenders come together and try and work a few kills as a team. Finally, whakaka te pahu.
But
One
the
more
defenders aren't kind of pushing out. They're just building.
Yeah, I'm not too sure if they're aware that this is the last round. This is game point.
Maybe they're econing for their hour.
Yeah, here we go. Okay, beasting. They got pistols.
Last player standing.
Nice. There's gonna be one behind them in the kitchen. They might go. Oh, goes for the knife.
Attackers win.
Oh, knife.
Oh,
Absolutely
the
dumb.
beasting getting the stinger. Getting stung.
Oh, that's Jang, son. That's gonna be a map for that one. We got Diligent Sosa's taking out game 3 of today.